anybody go get stroke before. You must reach 60 or 70 before you get stroke. Youth of these days, 40, 30 will not get stroke because of sex. And you know, say, if we dey sex, now because of all those things we they take for our generation, that means you see 25 years old boy go get stroke. All these drugs what they take for sex. And you know, so when you dey sex, if you want come, now this leg you dey shake. And at the same vein where sperm they follow come, now stroke they follow come. So as they do like this now, this leg they weak they go. Before you know, one morning you wake up, this leg no move again. That be stroke now. Hold on now. Marriage. This one they talk about marriage. You know, how many children you get? One. I get two. That means you sleep with your wife. If anything happen to my second born, me, that boy don't like sex. If you do it that way, if I just touch mama like this, you go burst cry. If I just touch married people here, you can relate. You put pikin to sleep, make you touch mama. The pikin go that boy hates sex. I could go find and say, okay, I dey touch the breast where he like left breast. So I call I avoid that. So you know that they say children they connected to their mother breast. That's why anybody, if they do engagement, and they see some people, they go do engagement. They again don't go get breast. They are busy say yes, and they do engagement. If you marry, if there's somebody you hold breast, they pray for your children. What do you hold? Breast is life, oh. If you know you love breast, you let me say, I love breast. And you want to use breast to play? I said my second son. Now I tell you say my second son. Now me resemble. See breast. See, some people when they go port they carry their children go say, I want my children to go to the best university. Listen to me. What you go look out for when you born your pikin, especially now boy. If you want me to know disgrace for future, look out for what he carry. That's what you work on that before education. It's a ration before education. That's why me, when I born my pikin, I don't be listening to my pikin now. The pikin don't resemble me. Now one day when my wife called the bathroom, I just see everywhere here. I said, this is the bone of my and the flesh of my flesh. Yeah, now you be man. That's how those people they do sex tape, this, sex tape. Now because you carry small thing, I make they call it sex tape. If you carry big thing, if your thing big, you sleep with person, the video go viral. Not be sex tape, now video drop. What are you talking about? Last meet. When last meet? I see you right there. Where White Homes? Where my people? God bless you now. Shobi, that's why now two tribe I like for this life. Two tribe. If you the tribe will get the biggest blood close. Now the way they take the dress, you know say they get blood close. Now it be Delta Urobome and Hausa. That's how Urobo they tie apart. Hausa they wear jalabia. What did they carry trousers? No fiola. Yes, sir. You know, so they want to say stay for this country now. Any small thing says stay. That's why me. Before I sleep with any girl, I always check whether cameras there. Couple I say people they do condom now they do cameras. Any small thing says stay. Couple I say that they plant camera because that person need to be careful. You know understand? Now you gonna sleep with girl before you come. Easter block don't release. Who please? This country where no balance. Nigeria is frustrated with what all those judges do. Peter will be for court. I tell my wife, oh, it's not enough to say fear woman, fear anybody where we are weak. Next Peter will be up. Nigeria no balance again. Now what are you telling me? Talking about that, my son show me pepper. Show me pepper. I don't forget one day I go vanity club. I don't drink. You don't have drink before you and your wife they say each other nude picture. I call the drive, they go out. I'll send my wife nude. He go send me nude. I send my wife nude. So I call the mood. My wife said, they send me, say, don't bath. He don't relax. Now, so whether I don't give the children sleeping tablet, he say, don't give them. Children, don't take sleeping tablet. 4. The senior one know they get problem with me and my wife. I hate that myself. Your pikin don't frustrate you before in the morning you wake up, he greet you, you know answer. That my second son, I'm not like him. The boy frustrates me. That me and my wife they in the mood. My wife they watch videos. Baby, me they go. And they blow go. I'm not cheat. You know so cheat they free for night. Yeah. I just enter and say, baby, are you ready for me? Say I'm ready. Come upstairs. I just come. I check the children. 12 days they sleep. Me no say me don't high. So now left breast that my son they like because I don't drink. I don't know which breast be left or right. As I want just dive my wife. We don't enter the mood, we don't play, foul play. As I pull out for the left breast, my pikin just burst cry. And my wife know the like pikin cry. As pikin burst cry, my wife stand up, you want to go down meet pikin, now me burst cry. Pikin they cry, me they cry, my wife did the middle. Pikin they cry, me they cry, my wife did the middle. Now me tell my wife, I beg, make it die, if you die, we'll born another pikin. What are you telling me? Children can be very frustrating. Marriage, and women, make your marriage very spicy. Valentine's Day, let me ask madam, Valentine's Day, what did you buy for your husband? What did you buy? What did you buy? What did they buy for your guy? Make your marriage spicy. You know if you just on Valentine's Day, you know if you just lodge this man for room, for hotel, lodge him. Only you go just day hotel like this. You go come, you go wear nightgown. As the man dey hotel naked. Mr. Naked, the one also. As the man dey hotel naked, you go call your wear nightgown. Wow, you see how your husband like hotel. That na one money. As your husband dey bed like this naked, you go just wear nightgown. You all say, I'm not the one to sleep with you. You come out, you invite the side chick. The side chick will come. I'm your side chick, I'm not the one to sleep with you. The guy where you are the side chick come pay. You come and say, I'm the one to sleep with you. Make it spicy. Who said this guy is crazy? They insult us, yeah? They hold me when I get to children. This guy is crazy, the name of laugh. Just curse me. No, don't worry, I like your insult. See me after the show, let me insult you. Make it spicy. You don't understand? And that is why men, they quit die. Men, we they give all to woman. This advice, and this M.O.P landlord supposed hear. Because men, they quit die. That is why, do you know, as I speak to you, we have about 200 million grandmothers and 400 grandfathers. The grandfathers are going, the grandmothers are there. They are taking the grandmothers to Omugo, they are taking the grandfathers to the morgue. They are dying. And because of what they go through, you as a man, you want to go sleep with woman. You reach where the woman there. That's a baby, I want head. You don't give the girl head, give her head. He reached out for you to sleep with the girl now. The girl said, you go wear condom. What do you want, friend? If first when you don't drink 50 liters. Rubbish. And let me tell you something. Why men they die quick before women? Do you know that men go they expect girl? The girl go they come, you know say they go meet my way, want sleep with you. You call rub makeup, rub highlighter, powder. Now sleep, you want to go sleep with man, oh. Now you they go where the man they reach there. Instead where the man go say, maybe you go bath before I sleep with you. The man they tell you say, the man now, you don't see the way you take fire, he just dive you, use the tongue, take lick all the makeup. And you know say this black tea where women they rub for face, now that way they middle of battery, they take the do one. Now the man, hold on now. Now the man don't leak all, don't leak everything, leak makeup. And a disease, you don't leak so. You don't tell the guy, when the guy go back. That's why some men, their belly go, they swear. They go to say Nigerian men, now foundation for years so. You are dying slowly. That's why me as a bad Billy boy, if I invite the girl come, as the girl come like this, as he rub makeup, we have for the buy condom, now for the buy face wipe. As she come, fair wipe her before I wipe her.
M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.